Hey, what's up guys, Sammy C here, and welcome back to yet another video. If you've been here before, thanks heaps for coming back, and if you're new here, welcome too. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do enjoy these videos, feel free to drop a like, subscribe if you want to, and that way I know if people want me to keep making them. There's been heaps of talk at my school about these videos, and I just wondered if you're using them at your school, feel free to tell other students and other teachers. That way, more people may use them. It's been pretty stormy here in Tauranga, so we're all rugged up tonight, wearing jerseys, which makes perfect conditions for filming, so it's pretty good. Today's problem is going to be a little bit of decimals and working with profit and making money, so it's going to be good. But before that, roll the intro. This video's comment test, guys. Once again, in the comments below, comment your strategies, how you solved the problem, and what you got for the problem at the end of the video, the follow-up problem. Alright, so drop that in the comments below. Right, time for our problem. Here we go. The year 6 students are selling chocolate bars to fundraise for camp. They are selling 25 chocolate bars each. The chocolate bars cost $1 each, and they are selling them for $2.50 each. How much profit will they make for selling 25 chocolate bars? And if the camp costs $145, how much will they need to pay after they have sold their 25 chocolate bars? Good problem today, guys. Pretty juicy, but give it a go, you'll be fine. I'll give you a little bit of a hint shortly. Rightio, time for a hint, guys. Now, if you don't know how to solve this problem, the first thing we need to do is we need to work out how much profit they make per chocolate bar. So I can do that by taking how much they're going to sell them for, which is $2.50, take away the cost of the chocolate bar, which is $1. And that's going to tell me how much profit they make per chocolate bar. But they're not selling one chocolate bar, so I have to times that by 25. And that's going to tell me how much profit they make from selling 25 chocolate bars. And then the second part of the problem says, if the camp is $145, how much will they need to pay for after they've sold the chocolate bars? So take the profit they make from all of the chocolate bars and subtract that off 145. And that's going to tell you how much money they have to pay for after they've done their fundraising. So that's a little bit of a breakdown of what we have to solve, guys, but you've got to do the maths. Give it another go. Rightio, guys, it's time for our full explanation. Now, the first part of this problem is we have to work out how much profit they make per chocolate bar. So they're going to sell the chocolate bars for $2.50. Take away the cost of the chocolate bar. So take away $1. So per chocolate bar they make $1.50. That's a pretty good markup. So now I have to go $1.50 profit times 25, which is the amount of chocolate bars they're going to sell. Now that's a pretty tricky problem. So once again, I'm going to break it up. I'm going to break up the $1.50 into $1.50, and I have to times those both by 25. So $1 times 25 is easy, $25. So what about the 50 cents times 25? That's a little bit trickier. So I know that if there are 10 50-cent pieces, I know there's going to be half as many dollars, because two 50-cent pieces make up $1. So there's a little bit of a pattern. So if there are 20 50-cent pieces, it's going to be $10, because it's just half. So there's 25 50-cent pieces, so I make an even number. So 24 50-cent pieces is going to be $12, plus the extra 50 cents. So 25 50-cent pieces is going to make $12.50. So now I have to add on the $25 plus $12.50, which is $37.50. So we have just worked out how much profit they're going to make from selling 25 chocolate bars. That's pretty good going. Now what I have to do is I have to work out how much the camper is going to cost. Now the camper is going to cost $145. Take away the profit they made from their fundraising. So take away $37.50. Now I can't really do this in my head, so I'm going to break it up. I'm going to break up the $37.50. So I'm going to go 145 take away 30, which is 115. Now I'm going to take away the 7. So 115 take away 7 equals $108. Now I have to take away the 50 cents. So $108 take away 50 cents is $107.50. So that gets me to our final answer, guys. The camper is going to cost $107.50. Now today's problem had quite a few steps, guys, so I'd really like to know if people are struggling to organise their working on their page, because working and solving multi-step problems that we can't do in our head, there's a little bit of an art to it and how we write out the problem and show our working. So let me know in the comments below, teachers and students, if you want me to make a video on how to lay out our working best to help us solve the problem. So let me know down below, that would be awesome. Right, hopefully you enjoyed today's video, guys. I really enjoyed making it. It is a pretty tricky one. At the end of the video there'll be another problem which is very, very similar but different numbers. So feel free to give that one a go, and once again, let me know how you solved it and the answer you got. That would be awesome. So that's us, we're done. Thanks heaps for coming back, or thanks heaps for being here and doing some maths. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to drop a like or subscribe. That helps out heaps, guys. Enjoy, be good, work hard. Thanks, guys.